Tickets, please. Tickets, please. The roller coaster of the markets continues. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update. I think the market's having a day like I've had since last night, but in the meantime, today's update is brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group, of course, one of our brokerage partners. We have other brokers, but we prefer CTG for our commodities and futures. They handle all of our letter of direction trading. They take care of business. They are the ones authorized to do so. Plus, they've got some great managed futures products. So certainly, we are big fans of the CTG Group. In the meantime, of course, this is Tuesday, March the 30th, as we near the end of the month, end of the quarter. And markets are as wild as they've been basically almost the entire month, I would say. You've seen today we've had, first of all, very wide ranges up and down. But as we sit right at the moment, you've got the Dow down slightly, the S&P down mid-range, and the NASDAQ down about 80, with the Russell up about 300. So we've got this same crazy action. And today we are long the three that are down and short the one that is higher. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. In the meantime, that's how we trade. That's what we watch, and that's what we look at. So in the meantime, the gold is getting smashed, gold and silver. Silver platinum's down, which we don't trade anymore, but it's also lower. We short all three. You could be seeing some interesting action. Now, we don't call bottoms, okay, nor tops, but you could see that gold may be finding a little bit of a bottom here. We're short, but we weren't changing. And when you look at it, just remember, just because gold's down 30, okay, doesn't make it a bigger down move than silver down 75 cents. Okay, it's about the same. So remember everything in percentage and perspective. All right, in the meantime, nat gas is lower, we're long. Copper is lower, we're long. Bonds and notes are lower, and we're short. The dollar is higher, and we're long. And crude is, I don't know, where's it now? It's all over the place. It's been as crazy as everything else. Crude is at the moment down. Okay, so it's been as wild as everything else in the markets, and why should it shock us? We'll see what happens. And of course, in grain markets, grains are lower, and of course, tomorrow's the big report that everybody's waiting for. I could care less. But I will give you my prediction before the report comes out tomorrow morning. It comes out, I think, at noon Eastern. I will send out a text and an update ahead of that to let you know what the price action is suggesting. In the meantime, you've got soybeans now that we're now short. We've got wheat we're now short. And, of course, corn we're still long. But if it continues lower today, I would suspect that might be changing shortly as well. The meats are a little bit mixed, protein complex. Cattle and fats and feeders are slightly lower. Hogs are slightly higher. Not a surprise. We're just churning around these levels. And, of course, in the softs, cotton is slightly higher. We are short. Okay. OJ is slightly lower. We're short. The coffee's getting clobbered. We're short. Sugar is slightly higher, and we're short. And, of course, cocoa is getting hammered, and we are short. So, overall, the picture's fine. And, again, we don't get involved in moment-to-moment emotional moves. Just keep that in mind. Okay, that's the one that you always want to remember. Emotions never get you anything but trouble. In the meantime, don't forget about other brokerage partners that trade your brokerage. Of course, they are the ones who give you $10 a month commission, which is unbelievable on its own. And then, of course, we have our software that we have their APIs. So if you want, you have the option, okay, to automate your trading for no cost. And you don't have to, it can only be automated through Trader, but if you want to use Trader, you can automate for free. If you don't want to use Trader, you don't have to automate. You can still get the signals. It's not a problem. It's just something that we offer for you, okay, if you choose to. So there's no cost and it's not required. Okay. In the meantime, we got our partnership with Family Farms, who, again, with the weather breaking and the reports happening and maybe COVID ending, slowing down and allowing the economy to open, we'll get back out. And of course, we have the same goals, which is to help farmers protect thrive and prosper. And Andy Hecht, who writes our commodity report, look, there's nothing like it. He's doing the quarterlies now. I would just say to you, you got to check it out. It's probably the best value on the street. It's called Technomental. You can go to BUBBATrading.com. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And of course, yesterday we got off the losing track with the NCAA, and tonight, 2 games. Well, I don't know. We're going to go, believe it or not, I think that Gonzaga could get beat by USC. I would take the points and take a little sprinkle, as they say, on the money line. And I think Michigan rolls. So in the meantime, everybody have a great day. And we'll see you back tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be in a better mood and a better frame of mind because it's been a long 24 hours. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.